Okay, state space equations. So we're going to introduce state space equation. Okay, space equation. Okay, the state space equation is given by Q dot T is equal to A Q T plus B X T Y of T is equal to C Q T plus D X of T. Okay, so we are talking about the 3 by 3 the third order. We're talking about the third order. So you have the Q dot T is actually the Q dQ dt, and the QT dot T is equal to Q1 dot T, Q2 dot T, Q3 dot T. Okay, and then the Q of T will be equal to Q1T, Q2T, Q3T. The metric Q, and then dx will be a single input. So x we don't have to discuss. X will be the input. X t, this one will be the one input. Okay, and the y of t is the one output. We're not talking about the multiple output, multiple input. And then the metric A. A is the metric A, B, C, D. This one are the matrices. Okay, A, B, C, D are the matrices. So let's say we have this metric Q1 dot Q2 dot T. So let's say we have the A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This one will be the Q1T, Q2T, Q3T plus D11, D21, D31, DXT. And then Y, this one will be the metric A, one the metric B, and YT will be equal to C11, C12, C13, metric C, Q1, Q2, Q3, plus the D11, X of T. So these are the ABCD metric, and how it come out with the equation. So you observe that your Q1 dot T will be equal to A11 Q1T plus A12 Q2T plus A13 Q3T plus D11 X of T. So this one is the row by column. So multiply the first row by the column. So we have the first equation. You observe we have the first equation, and then Q2T. Q2 dot will be A21 Q1T, A22 Q2T, A23 Q3T plus D21 X of T is really the second equation. Okay, and then Q3 dot A31 Q1T plus A32 Q2T plus A33 Q3 3t plus b31 x of t. The third equation, and the yt is equal to c11 q1t plus c12 q2t, c13 q3t plus b11 x of t. The fourth equation. Okay, so actually what we have, we want to come up with the state equation. So we have to come up with this equation and then represent in the form of matrices. So this will be the basic metric. Okay, and then another one more that we should remember, that the initial state x of t, the qt, sorry, the qt is, we call it as the state variable. Qt is the state variable, and then the q0 which is equal to q10, q20, q20. This one we call it the initial state. Q0 is the initial state, Qt is the variable. Okay, so that's enough for the state space equation. So actually we're going to relate this matrices, state space equation, into the controller and the observer form. We'll stop with